Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is record level security. Record level security, OWD, organization wide defaults, determines baseline level of access for all records of an object. Who is the most restricted user of this object? Is there ever going to be an instance of this object that this user should not be allowed to view, edit? Role hierarchy, manager will have access to the records of his/her subordinates. Users who tend to need access to the same types of records can be grouped together. Let's see an example. Make student custom object records viewable only for user A and can't perform any operation like create, edit and delete. Whoever the owner of record could edit, create, delete and other can't. To do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Open our application employee management system. So for the students object, there are these many records are there, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again verify here. The all records number is 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 records are there. So let's see how many records are created by this account, means Salesforce account, Salesforce network account. So first 002, the account owner of this record 002 is Salesforce network. Again for the next one 003, user A is owner of this particular record. So next one is Salesforce network, again 004, 5, again Salesforce network. So in all the records only 003 is record which is created by owner user A. So just log into our user A account. Here also just verify is the same thing is coming over here or not. So clicking on a student object, from here 002, owner is Salesforce network, as we had seen in the Salesforce network account. 003 user A, yes. 004 Salesforce network and 005 is again Salesforce network. So only 003 is the record which is created by user A. So coming back to our main account, Salesforce network account. So just click on setup. Under the settings, expand security. Click on sharing settings. So which object we have to make, that is a student object. So click on edit. So we have to make the access private. If we are giving the access private, it means it says that the owner of the record can view, edit, delete or create a particular record. and on this object the record is not going to view by the second user or any user from the org. So make it as private, click on save button. So one or more sharing operations has been initiated. See below for additional details. Certain operation may not be available. So it's taking a bit of time. So sharing setting is done. Again cross verify. For this student object the access become private. So after doing the sharing setting, again we have to cross verify the profile for that particular user. So just clicking on user. So for user A account, system administrator new profile he is using. So just come down and in the standard object permissions, so we need to check for the custom object permissions. Here we are seeing that student having view all and modify all access means it is dominating the OWD setting. So we need to edit this profile. Click on edit. Again just come to the custom object permission and uncheck view all and modify all, so that this setting will apply. Click on save button. So now if I am going with second account, that is user A account, so after clicking on a student, so now we are able to see only one record. Again just cross check all the student records. So we are seeing here only one record, and also that is created by user A account. So while providing the profile, uh, so when we are using the OWD sharing setting for a particular object private, then the person who is created that particular record will be able to view that particular record. Again coming back to our main account, that is Salesforce Network. So just click on App Launcher, search for Employee Management System, click here for a student. All the records are available. Click on all. So administrator can see all the records and do modification on all. So here we can see that 003 record is created by user A. Still Salesforce Network user is able to see this record. Why? Because this is using system administrator profile. So like this we are applying the private sharing setting. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.